Hello guys, this is Power Africa Solar PV Tech, and today we are in Metamaiwa, Nyamira County, where we have installed a 3000 watts inverter 24-volt system. And with this system we have 4 batteries of 200 Ah each that are used to supply power to the house as means of storage. And we also have a PV array DC isolator. This is to regulate the power that is incoming from the panels on top of the roof to the inverter. So in short, we are protecting what is coming from the panels on top of the roof to the inverter. We have a AC output breaker. So this AC output breaker is to regulate the amount of power being drawn from the house, so that we don't have so much excess being drawn from the inverter. We have also installed a battery fuse, which is this one. So this is to protect these batteries. This battery is right here, and in case we have someone or a technician who wants to do some inspection on these batteries, he doesn't have to disconnect the whole system. He'll just come and pull out this battery fuse, and the rest of the system is disconnected from the batteries. So that is the picture of the whole system, and we'll go outside and show you the panels on top of the roof. So guys, as you can see on top of the roof, we have the 6 panels of 450 watts each, which are connected in this system. So those are the 6 450 watt panels that we have installed. They are not a bit clearer because of the terrain, but we'll provide separate pictures so that you can have a look at the clear view of the panels on top of the roof. So right now we'll just go inside the house and inspect on what really is being powered with this system. So guys, as you can see, this beautiful home right here is where we have installed our system. So let's get inside and see what exactly is being powered. As of now, you can see that the security light outside is working, and that is on solar. The sitting area right here is also being powered by the solar. You can also see the light inside. All the lights in the house is also being powered on solar. We also have the TV. The TV is on solar, and all the wall bracket lights are also being powered on solar. We have the kitchen area. This is also powered by solar. You can see the lights in the kitchen area is working on solar. Then we have this fridge right here, which is also working on solar. So we are urging all our clients, all our viewers who are seeing this house and would like to have their system be supplied on solar, kindly visit our offices in Nairobi, that is in Hola Road, and in Kisumu, Alpha House, first floor.